Okay, so we've got 3 red cards with the numbers here, 3, 6 and 9, and then 4 green cards with different numbers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the cards are sort of turned face down so you can't see the numbers, and then a player, it says there, chooses one of the red cards and one of the green cards at random without actually seeing the number. And then the key then to filling in this table, it says the player's score is the sum, right, of the 2 numbers. So it's good to sort of highlight what we need to do here to add the 2 numbers, right? And they filled in some of these entries for us already, and you can kind of see here why we've got 11 here, all right? That's an example there, because if you look to the left, we've got 9 on the red card and 2 on the green card. Okay, so you need to look at the sort of possibilities here with the red card and the possibilities here with the green card, and then do what it says, sum them, right? So we add them. So with regards to that one, there's 11. So you're adding the 2 and the 9. Okay, so they kind of meet there, don't they? The 2 and the 9 meet at that point there, and we add them to give 11. The same applies here. There's 1, if you look where this entry is here, there's 1 on the green card, 6 on the red card, so they meet together there. Add them, you get 7. At the top then, you've got 1 on the green card, 9 on the red card. They meet there, so that adds up to 10. Okay, and you can fill similarly then the other entries. So you've got 3 and 6, make 9 here. Top entry then, you've got 3 and 9, make 12. And then the last column then, you've got 4 and 6, make 10. And 4 and 9 make 13. Okay, so then it says a player, part B, it says a player wins a prize if the score is more than 9. So you can notice the way they've actually they've bolded, haven't they, that word more. But more than 9. Now, if they say more than 9, then we can't include 9. Okay, so when I look at all the outcomes here, we can't include that one because that's actually 9 and they want us to be more than 9. So the ones that are more than 9 are that one, that one, that one, and that one. And this one here, of course. Okay, so if you notice, I've got 5 of them, haven't I? 5 of them. Now they want the probability, so we've got 5 chances out of however many outcomes there are in total. And if you notice here, there's 12 outcomes, aren't there? If you count them, because we've got 4 along the first row, 4 along the second row, 4 along the third row, so it's 12. It's important when they say that word probability that you write your answer in as a fraction, right? Don't be writing 5 out of 12 in words, okay? Put it as a fraction, like that. So that's the chance there of winning. Now it says in part C, 60 people play the game once. Approximately how many people would you expect to win the prize? I haven't got much room down here, but I'll try and squeeze it in, right? So we've got this answer here, which we're going to use, right? Now, if you've got 5 chances out of 12 for winning, right? Well, that actually means then that if 12 people played, you'd expect 5 to win, okay? 12 people played, 5 would win, and of course 7 would lose. But what I'm going to do then is, of course, recognize now they've got 60 people playing, okay? So what I'll do is I'll scale this up, okay? This is if 12 people played, but if 60 people played, scale it up. Now let's think about what we need to scale this to here. 12 to 60, obviously it's a lot bigger. What do we times in by 12 to get to 60? Of course 12 goes into 60 5 times, so I've got to times it by 5, okay? But if I times the number of players by 5, I also need to times the number of winners. So if I times 5 by 5, I'll get 25. So if I times the bottom number by 5, to make it 60 players, I need to times the top by 5 to make it 25 players. So what it's saying then is 25 players would win, 25 out of 60 would win. Now if you leave it like that, you won't get full marks because you've left it as a fraction, so you need to literally state them by the side that 25 would likely win. Okay, so you write that there to state clearly how many you'd expect to win.